Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to get your learner's permit in New York. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to get on the DMV website just to take the practice test. Before you do that, you have to read the DMV's material and practicing road signs and recognitions just to prepare for the test. And the test is going to be similar to the actual test questions, so no need to worry about anything. And after passing the test, you go to the DMV early to avoid lines, and you need to bring the required IDs and the test receipt, and also you look ready to take a photo, and this photo is going to be on your permit and eventually your license. So let's wrap up everything real quickly. Go to the DMV website, finish the road sign and recognition test, and after that you go to the DMV early to avoid lines, and you just gotta bring your ID and the test receipt and just look good to take the photo that is gonna be on your permit test and eventually your license. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.